Let's see the next topic. The next topic is website. It is a very simple one and a very scoring topic for the exam point of view. The first one is that basically a website is the collection of web pages. Okay, so the website is basically made up of the web pages which are basically interlinked to each other through hypertext. Okay, and the next pointer is that these web pages are written in these languages. It is normally HTML and CSS, hypertext markup language, and the CSS. Okay, so web pages are written in these languages. The next one, as I told you, that web pages are interlinked to each other through hyperlinks. Okay, hyperlinks is very important for any website to operate. So through web hyperlinks, the web pages are interlinked to each other, and all these web pages which we are talking, also known as a website, are hosted by the web server. It can be a private web server or it can be some commercial web server. And sometime he can ask you about the home page. Okay, student, remember, home page of any website is the introductory page of the website, which basically serve as a table of content for the site. Okay, so whenever you open any website, okay, the first page of that website, it is known as the home page of that website, right? And this is very important pointer. This is sometime asked in the exam, like which political party in India created the website on internet first. Okay, it is BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. Okay, so Bharatiya Janata Party, I think in year 2000 they have made this website. Okay, so the first political party which create a website on the internet. The next one is a founder. This is very important from the exam point of view. Okay, so you should name the founder of these famous website. The first one is a Google, which is a search engine. Okay, the founders are Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Okay, just remember Larry Page and Sergey Brin. And Facebook, most of us knows that it is a social networking site, and the famous name Mark Zuckerberg. So Mark Zuckerberg is the founder of Facebook. And if we talk about Wikipedia, it is Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger. Okay, and the Twitter, it is Jack Dorsey, which has basically converted to X, which is bought by Elon Musk, right? Next, let's see what are the different types of website. The first one is the social media site. Okay, the purpose of these websites are basically used for interaction. Okay, these provide a basic platform for social interaction. Okay, example, most of us know that it is Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Okay, Facebook provide the interaction with your friends and family, what they are doing. Okay, so in that way, it is basically making social network. Okay, and sometime in exam they will ask about the first social media site. You remember the first social media site is 6 degrees. Okay, and this was asked in RRB NTPC, and the founder of that first social media site is Andrew Winch. Okay, Andrew Winch is the person who have made the first known social media site in 1997. Okay, coming to the next, e-commerce, as a word itself suggests that commerce, that is for buying and selling the product on the network or on the online. Okay, e-commerce provide platform for buying and selling product online. The example are like Uber, Swiggy, Zomato, Flipkart, Amazon, all these are e-commerce website. The next one is the search engine. This is very important. Okay, so search engine is a type of website which helps to find the information on internet using keywords or the queries. Okay, nowadays everybody know that Google is one of the good search engine which everybody uses. So it is basically helping us to find the information on internet. But Google is not the first search engine. The first search engine name is Archie. It is in year 1990. Okay, archive, it is sometime archive basically. Okay, so it is basically an index FTP archive for file searching. Okay, so it is basically archiving all the files which are being searched. Okay, so it gives you an index so that you can refer to those archive. Okay, so the first search engine is Archie in 1990. Next one is blog. Blog is another website which publish article or the personal experience. The examples are WordPress, and nowadays Medium is also one blogging site, and finally the Blogger. Okay, so these are the types of website.